Hello dear students, good afternoon. I hope all of you are fine. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. And in our last topic, what we have done? We have done addition on number line. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is subtracting on the number line. So for that you have to open your books and notebooks. So fast open your books and notebooks. Take out your pencil, scale, eraser. Fast. Fast open your notebooks. And write today's date. Take new page in your notebook. Students, I have given you homework questions also in our previous lecture, that is adding on number line. I hope all of you have done your homework. Have you? Have you done your homework? Those students, those who have done, very good. But the students, those who have not done the homework, please make sure that you do your homework daily. It is good for you. Okay, since you are not coming to school, so at least you do your work, you complete your work at home. Okay, if you have not understood, you take the help of your parents. Okay, if you want, you can see your lecture again and again so that you can understand the things very clearly. Okay, so again take out new page and write today's date. Today's date, what is the date today? Right here, 30/12/2020. Write today's date, 30/12/2020. Okay, now write the heading of today's topic. What is the heading of today's topic? Start writing from the new page. Start writing from the new page. Subtracting, and write on the top SUBTRACTING. Subtracting on the number NUMBER, number line. Write the heading fast. Write the heading fast. Subtracting on the number line. I hope all of you have written the heading. So now write the first question A. Write the first question A. 44 minus 6. 44 minus 6. 44 minus 6. 44 minus 6. Draw the number line using scale. Draw the number line. in subtraction we move in backward direction. In addition we move forward. Okay, we do forward counting in addition, but in subtraction we do backward counting. In addition we move backward. So in this question we write the numbers on number line from backward in reverse counting. Okay, number line on subtracting on number line, what we will do, we will write forward backward numbers. Okay, we start writing numbers from backward. So here what is the number? 44. So we are going to write the numbers from 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 40, then 39, then 38, then 37. In this way we will make number line on subtraction. In subtraction we move in opposite direction, that means in backward direction. So we start writing the numbers also in reverse order. Okay, so what is the first number? 44 minus 6, that means we are on which number? We are on number 44 and we have to move 6 steps backward. Okay, we have to move 6 steps backward. Okay, so start moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we reach at number 38. We stop at number 38. So the answer of 44 minus 6 is 38. So write here 38. 38. I hope all of you have understood how we are subtracting numbers using number line. Okay, in the same way that we have done in our previous chapter, that is subtracting numbers up to 9. But in that what we have written numbers on number line from 0 to 10. But here we are writing only those numbers which are given here. So 44 is written here. So we write numbers from 45 and that numbers also we are writing in reverse order. Okay, write fast. Write fast. Then we will going to solve the second question. Write fast. I hope all of you have understood. If not, again I am going to explain you the next question B. Then I hope all of you have understood it very nicely. Now see what is the next question. B. 62 minus 5. 62 minus 5. Okay. So first of all, draw a number line. So draw a number line and start writing the numbers in reverse order from 63. So write 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56 and 55. Okay. First you draw the number line first, then we will solve it. Now see, what is the question? 62 minus 5. What is the question? 62 minus 5. That means we are on which number? We are on number 62. हम किस number पर हैं? We are on number 62. So how many steps we have to move backward? We have to move backward 5 steps. To start moving 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We stop at number 57. So answer of 62 minus 5 will be 57. Copy fast. Copy fast. Now the next question, C. I hope all of you have done it. C. 84 minus 2. So, first draw a number line. And write number from 85 in reverse order. 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80 and 79. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 and 85. Okay. So first of all, we are on which number? First see what is the question. 84 minus 2. What is the question? 84 minus 2. That means we are on which number? We are on number 84. Okay, we are on number 84. So how many steps we have to move? In backward direction, 2 steps. So 1 and 2. At which number we stop? We stop at number 82. So the subtraction of 84 minus 2 will be 82. Write fast. Write fast. 84 minus 2 is 82. 84 minus 2 is 82. Write fast and copy correct from the board. Now I hope all of you have understood very nicely how we are subtracting the numbers using number line. Now the next question, D. D. What is the question given in the book? 99 minus 4. 99 minus 4. So write the equation first. 99 minus 4. Okay, 99 minus 4. So draw the number line. And start writing number from 100 in reverse order. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93 and 92. Okay. Make a number line and start writing number from 0 in reverse order. First, make number line. Now see, what is the question? 99 minus 4. What is the question? 99 minus 4. That means we are on which number? We are on number 99. So make a dot here. That means we are at number 99. Now how many steps we have to move in backward direction? 4 steps. So start moving 4 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We stop at number 95. So the answer of 99 minus 4 will be 95. Write fast. Write fast. The answer of 99 minus 4 is 95. Done. Now the last question that is given in your book. E. Then I will give you one question to solve, to do yourself. Okay. Now see what is the last question. E. 37 minus 8. 37 minus 8. Now again draw the number line. So start writing numbers from 38 in reverse order. 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29 and 28. Okay. Make a number line and write the numbers from 38 in reverse order till 28. Till 28. Fast and use scale while you are drawing a number line. Don't draw rough line. Okay, don't spoil your copy. So use scale to draw a number line and draw a straight line and leave a sufficient space between all the numbers. इन सब के बीच में आपको स्पेस रखनी है. ओके, so write one number in one box. Okay, because your maths copy is like box, so you have to write one number in one box. Now what is the question? 37 minus 8. 37 minus 8. That means you are on which number? You are on number 37. You are on number 37. Now how many steps you have to move backward? You have to move 8 steps backward. So start moving one step and take 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. At which number you stop? You stop at number 29. You stop at number 29. So subtraction of 37 minus 8 is 29. Write fast. Write fast. Now I am going to give you one extra question. Okay, so try to solve this question. First you do question number E, then try to solve this question F. Okay, first you do the question E fast, copy fast from the board. Now dear students, try to solve question F. Okay, this is extra question. This question is not given in your book. I am going you one extra question to solve. So try to solve this question. 75 minus 8. 75 minus 8. You draw the number line. आप number line draw करेंगे. देखें आप are you able to draw the number line or not? कहाँ से लिखना है number? So try to solve this question yourself. Fast. Then I will give you some homework questions also. So first you try to solve this question number F, that is 75 minus 8. 75 minus 8. So first draw the number line and write the numbers in reverse order. But कहाँ से लिखना है? That you write. I will not tell you, because first you try to solve it, then I will solve it on the board and you check your answer. Okay? So you try to solve this question. Do yourself fast. Done? Solve fast. 75 minus 8. This is the question. Now check your answers, dear students. So first write the numbers on the number line. What is the number given here? 75. So we are going to write numbers from 76 in reverse order. 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67 and 66. Okay. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75 and 76. So we are on which number? 75. So we are standing on number 75. Now how many steps you have to move? 8 steps. You have to move 8 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. कहाँ पहुँच गए? We stop at number 67. So the answer of 75 minus 8 will be 67. Those students who have done it correctly, very good. But the students who are not able to solve it, try to solve it. Do yourself. Try to solve yourself. Okay. Write fast. Now I am going to give you some homework question. So students, write it fast, note it down fast. Note it down fast. Write fast. And now write some homework question. Write homework. After F, write G, H, I and J. 4 questions you have to do as a homework. Write 39 minus 5. 39 minus 5. 56 minus 4. 56 minus 4. I hope this question is not given. Okay. 56 minus 4. Now write 77 minus 7. 77 minus 7. And last question. 89 minus 8. 89 minus 8. So these are some homework questions that we have to do using number line. In the same way that we have done the question just now, you have to do the same homework question also. You have to draw the number line and you have to write the numbers on number line, and then you have to move backward. Okay, how many steps? That depend on these number. Okay, so these are some homework question I am reading for you. 39 minus 5 is equals to 56 minus 4 is equals to 77 minus 7 is equals to, and last 89 minus 8 is equals to. Okay, so try to solve this question. Do your homework regularly. And for today it is sufficient. We will meet in our next lecture with some new topics. So till then, have a good day. Have a nice day. Bye students.